Hello everyone, today in this video I will continue to show you how you use surface feature, and today I show you how you use selecting contour, and let's start it. In this case you have a extrude surface and go to the sketch, and now active rectangle, click from this point to this point, click this line and this edge, make midpoint, and click this line and this edge, make coincident, and after that active one dimension, click this line, make line distance is or line length is 120 and click OK, and after that exit sketch. See, now you have a extrude surface like this, and now go to feature. We will use selected contours. In this case you can choose contours what do you want, like this. Just click this face and click OK. See, now you have another extrude surface like this, or you can do like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, see, see, just do it again. Okay, see, now you know how to use selected contours. I think that's the end tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. See ya.